Oh my gosh, it is, I mean, a literal household worth of weight lifted off my shoulders. So it's kind of indescribable, but it's been just life-changing, really.
It helped me out a lot. It just, with everything going on, everybody was very polite. I will recommend Joyland. And I have a couple more project doors I want to get done, and Joyland will be my back.
Just thank you so much, especially to Jason for nominating me. I know he wasn't out here. I wanted to say thank you to him, but so yeah, thank you to him.
We did get two great winners. Donna got a new front door, and Christine got an entire roof replacement for her house, and both of these were entirely free for them. So I called Christine up when she won the nomination, and she was pretty surprised and taken aback. She's like, oh my goodness, I can't believe this, because we had just given her a quote a few months before, and then she was nominated and won the roof. So it worked out really well, and she was super thrilled to be able to win this. But Donna also, her front door was falling apart, and she was in need of a new door. So Brandon went out there and measured and gave her options for the front entry door. We were able to provide that free of charge, along with a matching storm door. So that was our first giveaway. It worked out wonderfully, and we're looking forward to doing this more in the future as a way to impact our community here and invest some of our dollars and time in making this a better place for all of us.